guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am so excited. We are going to be reviewing a palette that I just received in the mail, and why I'm really excited is because when I saw this palette online, I just fell in love with it instantly and I had to have it. So I am talking about Morphe's 35G Bronzed Goals palette. And I don't know what, I just think all the bronzy colors that is in this palette just kind of like got to me. And because I cannot wait for like spring and summer to get here already, I probably is why I like gravitated towards this as much as I did. So we're gonna open this up and play with it. And it does come in this like beautiful packaging. The packaging itself is cardboard, and it's really pretty. And then you open it up, there's a little Morphe emblem, and here are the shades. There is a little insert that tells you which or the names of the eyeshadows, but here is the palette. Isn't it gorgeous? Like, I cannot wait to play with these colors. So I am going to insert swatches of these colors right now. We are going to do an eye look today with these. So I've already done my face, you know, foundation, concealer, bronzer, powder, all of that stuff, and I've done my eyebrows, so we can just focus on doing an eye look with this palette today. Now, this palette does come with, I believe it's 35 shades, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, yep, 5, yep, 35 shades. 10 shades are matte and the rest are all like shimmery shades. We're gonna dive on in and start with a look. So we're gonna use as a transition shade this shade right here. This is called Sandy. My brush here. I'm gonna scoot on in a little closer. Now, like I said, I've been using Morphe products for years. Before I even ever really heard anyone talk about it. Like, I've been using it that long. And I've always loved their shadows. I do have like a Z palette with just singles in it of Morphe colors. And I love them. I think they're great colors. I have not had a really bad color. They always seem to blend beautifully. They're nice and smooth and buttery feeling. I love the overall texture and like quality of the products. They're just wonderful products, and I do highly recommend them, as well as their brushes. Like, I love using their brushes. I don't have a ton of Morphe brushes, but I do. The ones I have, they work beautifully. They clean well. They are affordable, very, very affordable. And I'll tell you, they've lasted a lot longer than some of my really expensive brushes. And I'll tell you, my Morphe ones have lasted through the test of time. And again, I'm so sorry, guys. I have a cold again, so I probably sound all nasally right now. And it's just, you know, allergies, the weather's changing. I live in Michigan, so the weather here is always like crazy. It's nice one day, freezing cold the next. My fellow Michiganders will agree, our weather is just nuts here. It never knows what exactly it wants to be. So we are moving on to the next shade, and we're gonna go in with Toasted. And we're going to put that like in the crease of our eye, and maybe a little bit into the eyelid. So let's go ahead and make it Toasted. So again, I'm just going to take it nice and lightly in that crease, just like getting it right in that crease area and a little bit on the lid. And we're just going to kind of buff that out. These shades are gorgeous. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited to be using this palette. I've had it now for like a week. So I did swatch 2 colors. However, I have not done like an eye look with this palette yet. So you guys are seeing it first here. the first time I'm actually using these colors on my eyes, and I'll tell you, the colors I have used so far are just gorgeous. And again, you know, this company does not make crap. Again, I'm just buffing that color out from the crease a little bit. We are going to move on to a slightly darker shade, and I think we're going to go in with, let me get my little thing that tells me what the shade names are. We're going to go into Burnt. So Burnt is this shade right here. We're going to take that with a slightly smaller brush here, and we are going to take that right into the outer corner of our eye. So we're going to go right here, and we're just going to darken that up slightly. See what I mean? Just slightly, ever so lightly. We're going to take a clean brush. We're just going to make sure everything is like blended in. Like, this is just, oh, I'm loving this. It makes me so excited. So the next shade we're going to use is Tropics, and that is this shade right here. And we're going to just, I'm just going to take my finger and press it into the shade, and we're going to press it onto our lid. Now this is kind of a light corally color. It's really pretty. So if you can see it. So now we're going to go in with another shade, and I'm thinking what will go in something a little bit brighter. So, oh, I know what we could do. We'll go in with this one, and we get the name of it. This is called SOL. So, and that is the shade right here. We're going to take that one, and we're going to put it over what we already did. Oh yeah, this one's like a lot brighter. And this is a very like yellowy gold. See that? Holy cow, that is cool. All right, yeah, this is like crazy. This one's definitely brighter than the other one. Doesn't mean the other one was a bad shade. It just wasn't showing up as much as this one is. And this is kind of like bam, in your face shade. Holy cow. I want to try like one more, because I think, I don't know, I want to play with more. So we're going to try one more. I want to go in with this like kind of orangey shimmer shade. It's this one right here. And we're going to go in with that one. I'm going to put it like on the outer. Now I'm going to keep that yellowy gold on the inner corner of my eye. I'm just going to go like right in the middle and go up with this like more orangey shade. Like blend that up between my matte shades and that yellowy gold shade. Okay, so there it is. I'm going to take my brush, and we're going to kind of blend that darker shade in. Oh, that orange shade is called Summer Vibes. So that was Summer Vibes that we just put on the outer part. And on the inner corner was that SOL. We're going to go back with Burnt, and that is this shade right here. With Burnt, and we're going to kind of clean up that area right here where the shimmer shades and the matte shades meet. We're going to kind of get that blended. Okay, I'm going to take another tiny little pencil brush. We're going to do a little pencil brush here. We're going to take that bright gold color right here, and we're going to take that in the inner corners of our eyes, and we're going to bring it down to the inner corner of our lower lash too. And then we're going to go in with this super light shade on the very top row. And this shade was called Glare. So we're going to take that Glare, and we're going to pop that in the inner corner as well, just to brighten it up a tad bit more. And I'm using the same brush. So what we're going to do now, I'm going to finish up my eye look. I'm going to throw on some liner, some mascara. I'm not going to put on false lashes today. I'm just going to do some liner, mascara, and then I'll be right back, and we will give you the finished look. So there you have it. This is the final look. I love this palette. I cannot say enough nice things about it. I think this eye look turned out gorgeous. I will definitely keep using this palette. If you liked this video, give it a thumbs up. Remember to hit that subscribe button as well as the little bell next to it to be notified of all of my upcoming videos. Thank you so much. I'll see you again soon. Bye!